Hey, Marshall Metal Detecting. I'm out on an old railroad track. It's now become a walking path for the county. And it's actually pretty chilly out today. I should have brought a coat. It's alright though. Yeah, it's really nice. My mother-in-law and my nephew, they went for a walk on here. And they said they stumbled upon an old house foundation. Maybe it was a barn or a shed, but I'm gonna go check it out and see if I can find it. Got the AT Pro, a little shovel, pinpointer, digging tool, so I'm all set. Hopefully find something good. So stay tuned. I've got quite a little hike to go yet, but I'll get there. Looks like I've got quite a few deer tracks in here. Hopefully I'll see something out here today. There's a deer blind right back up in there. Can't see it, but keep on going. It's pretty awesome back here. It's real quiet. Used to listen to rock and roll all the time. Rock music, metal. Now I just appreciate the quiet of the outdoors. Alright, catch up to you in a bit. There's a couple deer out there. They were just right over in this area on my side, but they heard me and got spooked. Might see it. That might be it right over there. It's kind of hard to see from here, but let's take a quick walk right around here. I'm gonna go check this thing out, see if that's it. Oh, that was not it. It's a big old tree. No idea where this is. Saw it on Google Maps, Google Earth, but I might have to pull that back up. Download it to my phone again, figure out where it is. It's out here somewhere. Alright, we're in luck. Found it. Straight over this hill. Right down there. Oh, that's awesome. I think the grass is thick enough out here that the ground won't be frozen, so I should be able to dig. But yeah, this is perfect. It's gotta be what they're talking about. Cool. Alright, see what I find. Got a windmill here. Barrel. Yeah, looks like this was an old barn maybe. Farming shed. Way out here. No houses around. So maybe there used to be. I had to find an old map. Maybe there was a little farmhouse out here somewhere. It's long gone at this point. But you can see the grass is pretty thick. And this is actually, that should be alright. I think I can dig that hopefully. Here's a little something. Alright, cool. Got the old rocks in here. Rock and mortar. Oh yeah, this is old. Perfect. Alright, we can get started. Hey, Marshall Metal Detecting. Magnet fishing today. Actually, I went metal detecting, and I went out for about, I don't know, it was probably a quarter mile out in the woods down a hiking path, and got all the way out to this old foundation out in this field. So it's gonna be great. I'll post a picture of it here in a second. And I got all the way out there, and I broke cardinal rule number 1. always check your batteries before you go metal detecting. I actually got all the way out there and my batteries on my metal detector were completely dead. I swapped them around, still it powered up, powered right back off. So luckily I brought my magnet with me, my bucket. I'm out at the state park boat launch and I threw in about 4 or 5 times so far right off the dock. And actually I just think I got a nice pocket knife here, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to pull it out of the water. There we go. Check this thing out. Now see, this is what I want to find. This is awesome. This is perfect. It's kind of a cheapie, it looks like. Maybe. Let me take it off here. What's that? Voyager, made in Japan. Never heard of it, but I will look it up. Cold steel. Yes, it is cold. It's only about 37 degrees out today. Yep, there we go. It'll open too. I'm not gonna do it right now though, because I only got one hand. Alright, see if I can find some more. I really want to find a Leatherman. That would be awesome. That's my #1 goal here. So, there we are. Got a few snakes sunbathing here. There's 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. Alright, I'm over on the side of the bank. I was just right over there off the dock. I think I got everything. Now, I'm actually pulling a rope with my rope. Nice. See how long this is. Not very long. That's cool. I can use that. Who needs to go to the hardware? You just go throw a magnet in the lake and get yourself some new tools.